food?
My favorite Vietnamese food. I like the banh mi with beef.
Maybe with beef.
Yeah, or the dry noodles. Dry noodles with
Dry
beef.
noodle.
Dry noodles.
Like that.
And what's your favorite food?
I like a pho.
Pho?
Yeah.
Yeah, which kind of pho?
Oh, with the beef.
With the beef also? Yeah, I like the beef as well. Yeah. And do you do sports?
Yes, I play football.
Football?
Yeah. And you?
No, but they play football. Yeah. And do you play football in a team?
No.
No, just with your friends.
Yeah, with my friend.
Yeah. And you go to school 5 days a week?
Yes, 5 days.
5 days?
From Monday to Friday.
Okay, and the weekend you can play.
Yeah. And this one is for you.
This is very kind of you. Thank you so much. Here, it's my favorite food.
Yeah.
Favorite Vietnamese food. Thank you so much. Very kind of you. That's nice.
And it's for you.
Thank you so much.
You like candy? Huh? You like candy?
Yes.
Or is your son?
Sorry?
Or is it your son and your daughter?
How old?
No, or is it your son and your
Yeah,
daughter?
all my son and daughter. Yeah. Thank you so much. 2 handen aanpakken eigenlijk. Yeah.
Right.
And you did very well.
Mhm.
But yeah, actually, I think you're very good English. Thank you.
So what is your favorite places in Vietnam?
Ooh. We've seen Ha Long Bay. That's nice. We've seen
Nice.
Sapa.
Yes, Sapa.
Also nice.
Very cool.
Very cold. When we were there was a lot of fog. Do you know what fog is?
The frog?
Fog.
No.
No. Clouds.
The
So low clouds,
fog.
so you can't see anything. So you can see
Yeah.
the other side of the street.
I see.
But
On the top of the mountain?
no, in the city as well. But also in the top of the mountains. And I also like Hanoi. So I don't know yet, and I have to go south. So I don't know.
Hanoi is very busy.
Very busy, yeah. But also a lot of good food.
Yeah.
A lot of things happening. I like that. Do you come here often?
Not often.
No?
Today is a second day I go to here.
You go here. But you live in Ninh Binh, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And yeah, you can join. She wants to join our conversation. And what's the name of your friends?
My name of my friend.
Yeah.
My best friend.
Yeah?
His name is Quang Anh.
And does he live near to you or is he in the class?
Yes, he's in my class.
He's in your class. And how big is your class? How many kids are in there?
Oh, there are 34.
34. Oh, it's a lot of kids.
Yeah.
And do you have one teacher?
Yes, only one teacher.
And what's her? Is it a man or a woman?
She's a woman.
It's a woman. Yeah.
She's a
And
woman.
what's her name?
My name is Ming.
No, the name of the teacher, Miss
Oh, Miss Son.
Miss Sun.
Yeah.
Is she funny or is she very strict? Ooh. Does she make jokes or is she very
Yeah, yeah.
last one? Yeah.
She is older with you.
Sorry.
She is older with you.
She's.
She's big with 14.
Oh, really? Yeah. So you have to learn a lot.
Yeah.
You have to. Okay. And at what time does your school start?
My school starts at 7:15
7:15.
a.m.
Oeh, luister je dat? Their school starts at 8:30.
At 30.
Yeah, so they can sleep.
A lot.
Yeah, but then the school finish at 2:30, and I think
2:30.
your school's
My
earlier.
school finish at 4:05.
4 or 5. Whoa.
It's a long day at school.
Yeah.
But,
Hun school begint heel vroeg en het duurt heel lang. They're very happy they don't have to go to school here. Well, I think we need to go to finish the bike ride.
Yeah.
So thank you very much meeting you.
Thank you.
Thank you meeting you.
Bye.
And don't forget your microphone.
Thank you.